You're working 40 hours a week and your bank account is still yelling at you. Sound familiar? You've tried the side hustles, selling old stuff, filling out surveys. It's all a dead end. You need income that doesn't stop just because you do. Here's the truth. The richest people online aren't selling their own product. They're doing affiliate marketing. It means you recommend a tool or course you trust and get paid a commission. I'm talking about a simple 3-step process that actually works. You don't need inventory. You don't need a massive team. And you don't need to be a tech genius. I used this exact system to finally stop stressing about money. I put the exact training I used step by step in the link in my bio right now. It shows you the fastest way to get started and see your first real commission. Go get it. But remember this, it takes effort. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You must put in the work and results are not guaranteed. See my full income disclosure in the description. Click that link now.